Hey guys, Kimberly here with AskSpot, and for this video, we will be creating the daily specials and signage creator canvas. And our goal with this use case is to empower staff of restaurants, cafes to quickly create compelling text for their daily special boards, in-store signs, and window displays. So let's start by going to inside the business and click on the plus sign to create a new canvas. Let's name this a daily specials and signage. And let's click create. Now let's go inside our canvas and start editing some things in here. For the bar, you can add your agency or your AI consultant. If you are offering this service, you can add your own logo right here. As for the title, let me just use this title. And for the button text, maybe a book a walkthrough. So basically, you're still branding this as your agency or your offering. And then for the URL will be the demo link. So for the custom links, let's just add up to 3. How it works. Then they'll be redirected to a video on how to use this canvas. And another one would be some AI writing tips and then a contact support. And then over here, we will just put the URL that's relevant to our title. We just put this and save changes. Next is to edit the chat portion of our canvas. So we will allow image generation for quickly creating social media visual of this special. And we will also enable voice chat, which can be helpful. And keep this on for interactive document editing. And as for the headline, maybe let's ask what delicious specials are we creating today? And then for the initial message, so this will be our initial welcome message. Let's save this. And for the branding, let's change this to powered by Canvas Expert AI. Let's just say this is the name of the agency and put it right here. Next, let's customize this canvas. So we have a few pre-made themes already available in here, or you can even create your own custom theme. That's what we did for the other use cases. So let's use this one. This looks great. Now let's go to our AI configuration and let's craft our system prompt. Now on the system prompt, you need to be very specific on what kind of service this canvas is trying to provide and what its goals are. And I even specified the name of the business. So this will be non-stable restaurant. And then I also let it know what adjectives it should use and which areas to focus on. And for the AI platform, let's keep it with OpenAI. And for the accuracy and creativity balance, maybe let's set this to creative and save changes. Okay, so next, let's upload some sources. The AI's effectiveness will come from knowing the restaurant's kitchen. So we will upload their full menu, and also we will upload the ingredient inventory list, since it's a crucial file listing common ingredients they always have on hand, that it will help the AI make realistic suggestions. So let's add that right now. Then let's add another source, which would be the brand words file. So it's just a simple text file with words the owner likes to use, like authentic, homemade, fresh from the market, traditional, something like that. So let's add it right now. Okay. Now that we've added our sources, let's do a test of the canvas before we share it with others. So over here, let's just type this special soup or roasted tomatoes, write a catchy name and short appetizing description for the chalkboard. So let's use the canvas editor for that. Okay, so here's what it came up with. So let's just quickly copy that. And next, let's try another prompt for this. Let's ask. Okay, so now it's generating for us. Okay, so 3 creative Italian inspired lunch specials with avocado. We can download this quickly and save this file. So let's exit out of that and let's try to ask it generate a short country sign for the front window. And then for the tools, let's use the image and send this. Okay, so here's what it came up with. We can just quickly download this image. And that's it. We're done testing the daily specials and Signage AI. You can now share it with others. And over here is your agency's branding, and they can just quickly click on this, book a walkthrough or a demo of other canvas that you're building. And by providing this for a restaurant or a retail client, your agency solves a real deal with their daily operational bottleneck. So their staff can generate a compelling copy in 30 seconds instead of struggling to write it during a busy shift. Or it can also help the brand consists with the brand consistency, since the copy always sounds authentic and on brand no matter who is writing it. And it also helped them boost creativity and reduce some waste when it comes to brainstorming new items using available ingredients. So with this, try building this on your own. And once you're done, you can start sharing it with others by going to the Share tab inside your canvas. And you can also review the chat it is receiving right here on the chat section. And you can even add more capabilities to this canvas by adding the flow builder or by adding a form into this canvas. So, limit here to what you can do to make it this more powerful. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And again, if you have any questions at all, feel free to send it to support@askspot.ai.